Okay everybody, here's the 2 ingredients for the fire ant poison. I don't know that it's necessarily a poison, but it does kill them. Cold pressed orange oil, orange extract. This stuff is good for all kinds of stuff. Cleaning, disinfecting, air freshener, all kinds of good stuff with this orange extract. And molasses, that's the other ingredient. So you take 4 tablespoons of this, 1 tablespoon of molasses per 1 gallon of water. That's 4 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon, 1 gallon of water. Mix it up. I put it in that pump up sprayer and just spray the heck out of them, guys. This does kill them, multiple treatments, but it's pet safe, non-poisonous, makes everything smell good, cleans really good. I've got some mixed up and we're gonna go treat some ant beds with it right quick. Alright, for this one, you actually want to disturb the ant bed. The more you disturb it, the better it is. You just disturb it and then spray your solution on them. You know, I use one of them pump up sprayers. And you may have to do this a couple of times. It doesn't kill them instantly, so don't look for an instant death. But a couple of times throughout the day, a couple of days, and it'll sure get rid of them. And I don't know if this is plant safe or not, so don't be spraying this all in your garden, but it will kill fire ants for sure. Just spray them down real good. Get your revenge on them. Don't be afraid to soak it down in there. I've got a couple more in the garden, so let's go spray them too. Ooh, then we're gonna be some hot peppers. All them chilies on there. So stir it up real good and spray them down. Don't let them get on you now. Again, it's not going to be instant, but it will kill them. Garden safe, pet safe. You can actually drink this stuff. So, don't look for instant death, but overall, it gives you the satisfaction you need. Stir it up real good. Get them all fired up. Good soaking. They got all the little branches running out everywhere. I guess I don't know if it's plant safe or not. I'll come back tomorrow and peppers will be dead.
No, it's plant safe.
Is it plant safe?
Yes.
Captain Gardener over here says it's plant safe. I still don't know if I'd be spraying it all over everything in my garden. You can see them there. It's killed a bunch of them already, but they definitely don't like that orange oil. I think the molasses just makes it stick to them, or I don't know, maybe it makes them eat it or something, I don't know. Well, if you're looking for friendly ant control, fire ant control, this seems to work pretty good. That's it for now, guys. From the farm, natural ant poison.